No way! Big news, tech fans. The DJI Osmo Nano has finally surfaced again, and this time we've got a closer look that's turning heads everywhere. After months of speculation, leaks, and teasers, DJI has pulled back the curtain on one of the most exciting pocket cameras we've seen in a long time. And let me tell you, this little device isn't just compact. It's shaping up to be a total game changer for creators, travelers, and action lovers. Today on Technify, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Osmo Nano, its design, powerful specs, and why this tiny beast could be the future of lightweight content creation. The DJI Osmo Nano is a tiny powerhouse that brings together design innovation, portability, and performance in one sleek package. Let's start with its imaging muscle. At the heart of this device is a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, a size you'd expect in higher-end compact cameras, capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. That means sharp details, vibrant colors, and smooth motion, whether you're recording cinematic vlogs or action-packed adventures. And speaking of perspective, the Osmo Nano delivers a 143-degree ultra-wide field of view. That wide angle allows you to bring more of the world into your frame without suffering from heavy distortion. Combine that with 10-bit D-Log mode, and you unlock professional-grade flexibility for color grading. Highlights stay intact, shadows remain rich, and your footage maintains that cinematic feel even when editing. For creators who love to fine-tune their visuals, this feature alone is a game-changer. Now let's talk design. DJI went modular and magnetic this time, and it's genius. The Osmo Nano uses a dual-sided magnetic system that lets you snap it effortlessly onto clothing, helmets, or metal surfaces. No bulky clips, no complicated rigs. At just 58 grams, it's lighter than most smartphones, making it the perfect grab-and-go companion. Portability has always been important, but DJI has made it effortless. You can literally carry it anywhere, clip it to almost anything, and start filming in seconds. But power isn't sacrificed for size. The Osmo Nano is packed with advanced stabilization features that DJI is famous for. Rocksteady 3.0 keeps your footage buttersmooth even during fast-paced activities. Add in horizon balancing, correcting tilts up to plus or minus 30 degrees, and your shots always stay level. Whether you're sprinting, biking, or capturing handheld clips, the results look polished and professional. Performance doesn't stop at stabilization. The Osmo Nano gives you multiple creative modes to expand your storytelling. You've got DCI 4K at 60 frames per second for cinematic looks, UHD 4K at 120 frames per second for dreamy slow motion, and 1080p at 240 frames per second for super slow, dramatic sequences. It's the kind of versatility that lets you experiment, push boundaries, and create unique content no matter the scenario. Battery life also impresses. The Osmo Nano delivers up to 200 minutes of shooting on a single charge, and thanks to USB-C fast charging, you can bounce back to filming quickly after a short break. That's crucial for creators on the go who don't want downtime to cut into their creative flow. Accessories bundled with the Osmo Nano are equally thoughtful. The retail package includes a multifunctional vision dock for stabilized multi-angle shooting, a protective case, magnetic hat clip, magnetic lanyard, and a dual-direction ball joint adapter. These aren't just extras, they expand the way you can use the camera. Clip it to your hat for a hands-free POV, mount it on a surface for creative angles, or use the dock to stabilize it on a table. DJI clearly wants users to unlock new ways of filming that go beyond traditional action cam setups. All of this comes together to make the Osmo Nano one of DJI's most versatile cameras yet. It's not just for adrenaline junkies or vloggers. It's for anyone who wants creative freedom without carrying heavy gear. The lightweight build, magnetic mounting system, pro-level imaging, and unmatched stabilization all scream simplicity, power, and flexibility. DJI has essentially packed a professional setup into a pocket-sized device. For creators, travelers, and everyday users, that's an unbeatable formula. So there you have it. The DJI Osmo Nano is officially here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact cameras we've seen in years. This little powerhouse combines lightweight portability, cinematic shooting power, and DJI's class-leading stabilization into one sleek package. It's designed for creators who want freedom and simplicity, without sacrificing professional results. Whether you're vlogging on the move, traveling light, or capturing action-packed adventures, the Osmo Nano delivers a creative edge that feels effortless and fun. At Technify, we believe this device embodies everything content creators have been waiting for. A true blend of portability and performance. And the best part? It's built to inspire you to capture more moments, more memories, and more stories in the most natural way possible. That wraps up today's deep dive. Thanks for tuning in to Technify. Until next time, own the moment and keep creating amazing content.